Panasonic AI refrigerators with AG Clean technology deactivates up to 99.9% bacteria, keeping your food fresher for longer. Panasonic AI refrigerators, intelligent air.
Panasonic.
Refrigerators that are built and designed to impress. Presenting Godrej's Inverter Frost-Free Double Door Convertible Refrigerator that is available in 328 and 350 litre capacity with a 2-star rating, suitable for modern Indian families. The 4 modes of Fridge Freezer Convert give you the flexibility to convert your freezer into fridge or use only the freezer space as per your requirements. Equipped with an intelligent inverter technology which uses a variable speed compressor that helps adjust the cooling of the unit intelligently for greater efficiency, durability and silent operation. The patented cool shower technology in the refrigerator comprises of shell with inbuilt air vents that are placed directly above the food to ensure 360-degree supercooling. Featured toughened glass shelves that are durable and strong enough to hold the weight of heavy utensils. It also has a wide shelf space, so you get the maximum storage space in your refrigerator. And with an extra storage space of 2.25 liters in the bottle compartment, you can store your big bottles of water or cola with ease. Available with a 1-year warranty on product and 10-year warranty on compressor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement.
the smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Convertible 5-in-1 Refrigerator. It comes in 8 different colorways: Luxe Black, Luxe Brown, Elegant Inox, Refined Inox, Real Stainless, Pebble Blue, Marble White, and Black Inox. It is available in 324-liter, 345-liter, 394-liter, 415-liter, 465-liter, 476-liter, 478-liter, 523-liter, 551-liter, and 670-liter. And it is 2-star and 3-star rated for energy saving. It features convertible 5-in-1, twin cooling plus, power cool freeze, and digital inverter. It includes 5 different modes, which are convertible with a simple push of a button, to suit your specific needs. Its twin cooling plus system provides ultimate freshness, with separate coolers for each compartment. The separate evaporators allow each compartment to maintain its ideal humidity and temperature. Its power cool and power freeze rapidly delivers cold air to fast cool or freeze on demand. At the touch of a button, power cool quickly chills food and drinks, while power freeze is great for firming up frozen food and making ice. Our digital inverter compressor runs at 7 different speeds for various situations. Even at night, Samsung digital inverter is super quiet while preserving minimum operation. Smart technology that changes your life. We design your home of everyday life. Samsung Convertible 5-in-1 Refrigerator.